Welcome to my last weekend on exchange. This is the last weekend of my life living here in Indonesia, specifically in Surabaya. I'm heading to Bali next week to meet up with some friends that are there. But this is fucking the saddest weekend ever. I woke up this morning and I was like, I want to remember every single moment of this weekend. So we're vlogging. If you guys don't know who I am, my name's Ruby. I've been studying in Indonesia for the last semester and that semester's coming to an end. As you guys can see from the state of my room, I haven't packed anything up. There's still 2 more days for that. It's fine. I've been sleeping really badly lately. My teeth are being ground. I don't know why. Let's move ahead with our day. This is currently what we're working with. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. I'm actually so hungry, but like I've just gotten to this point where I am sick of all the foods that we have, but I can't buy new foods to replace them. Like I don't want oats, I don't want wheat bix. Like I'm actually, oh my god, my ear's popping. We're on the 27th floor. Don't know if I've ever told you guys that. And my ears pop every time we're in the elevator. It's an elevator, so building has building A and building B over there. This is my walk to the gym. And that's the pool area. Very nice walk. Then we sign in. See, I don't know what time it is, like 9. And we go into the gym, which I might actually leave because it's actually busy out. So I was gonna go to the pool. They close the pool every single day at like, it's like 10 or 11. It changes all the time. And so I asked after my workout, because I low-key did my workout so fast, and I was like, what time's the pool closed? And he was like 10. So I was like, whatever, because that would be like 15 minutes. So I was like, I'll just go for a walk instead. Finished my walk and they're still not cleaning the pool, and it's after 10, and I'm like low-key cut about it because I just want to go to the pool. Okay guys, Tara is going to weigh her bag. Moment of truth. Me just lift it up first. It's so full. I've also done a lot of damage by just giving you stuff. Under 20? Yeah. That's crazy.
So that for check-in.
Oh.
You're going to be paying extra.
Oh.
25.
Oh. I think you should do it from that side. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I never weigh my bag like that. And like at the airport, they don't weigh it like that. Just put on some makeup for check-in, cry, and then they might not make you pay. It's heavier.
24.
Oh no! What's that one though? Maybe that one's like 2.
The suitcase alone is 3. 10. 35 kilos. No extra shopping?
What about your books? Just making me nervous for my bags. Like, my bag's gonna be fucked.
This one's gonna be fucked, so it's got my laptop in it.
Yeah, but they don't weigh both of them.
True. Yeah, so I can just pill. What is that? 20? So I'm 5 kilos over my check-in.
Just like be a Karen. Just be a Karen and be like, yeah, but my carry-on bag is light, so I'm not adding extra weight to the
I have to just put more in my carry-on.
Yeah. What happens? Like, oh, you can just see me in my bra, like in the mirror. What do they do if your bag's overweight on carry-on? Okay. So guys, just went to my favorite sandwich shop, and the workers there were so cute. I'll insert some videos. They wanted photos with us. I think like keeping in mind here, like they don't really see like foreigners. So they were like so excited to like see us, and they were like, can you follow us on Instagram? So we did. They're so cute. So we're just heading to a really big shopping centre here. I think it's like one of the biggest shopping centres in Southern Hemisphere. So that's where we're going now. I forgot to record sandwich, but that's only because I forgot to have breakfast. I didn't forget. I actually just didn't eat breakfast because I didn't feel like it. So I was just ravenous by the time it was food time. So basically they have knockoff polo here, and they have the cutest cardigan, and I really want it. I literally walked past it. This is so embarrassing. And I really want it, but my local didn't have it, and so we're gonna check this polo shop, which is the whole reason why I came here today. I didn't have my cardigan. I'm so sad about it because I literally looked at it every single time I went there, and now that I'm like ready to buy it, it's not there. So there's a store at the airport. I don't know whether that's like risky, but the girl's like, no, there's no blue one. I'm like, I've seen the blue one like 100 times. So anyway, yeah, I'm just wandering around. Tara's getting her toes done, so I'm like, what do I do? I went to the shop to get hair elastics. Why did this just cost me 50 cents? 50 cents, 50. I was like, oh, like that's it? I'm here supporting Tara while she gets her eyebrows done for the first time. I feel like I've ruined this poor girl's like entire life. I've got her onto like bougie bathers, getting her eyebrows done, her toes done, her nails. I'm so sorry for what I've done to your life. Yeah, I know. Your mom's gonna see you. She's gonna be like, what the fuck is Ruby done? Anyway, Tara's getting her eyebrows done. So exciting. Okay, we're going to a pizza place called Hot Slice Pizza. Tara's here. Look at Tara's eyebrows. Tara. Hi. Oh my god, they're so good. Black. No, they look so good. They look so good. Anyway, I'll show you the pizza we're gonna have for dinner. By the side. Here's my pizza. I kind of destroyed it. So Tara's is better to look at because I was taking photos with it, and yeah. I don't mind the mess in the back, but this is the fit. My top is White Fox. My pants are also White Fox. They're old White Fox, and my mum he bleached the pockets yellow. They were beige. I've got my sambas. I've got my bag. It's got pads in it. Yeah, we're gonna head down and get some photos. My last Friday night on exchange, so we're going to karaoke, which is our new fave way to spend the weekend. So let's go. Feeding you. This is where we're going for karaoke. Looks pretty sick. I'm excited. That was a race. It's going so fast. Yeah, I bet you, huh? Girls made it. Our guys were so fast. Our guys were like speeding. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yes, we have koi fish in our front. I don't know why it's blurry, but apparently they sleep. Look at them. That's just crazy. Apparently my delivery arrived, so we're gonna see if the front desk has my umbrella. It is 1:30 in the morning. I decided that I wanted to write like letters to the girls. More time to write letters for Zainab, Izzy and Bridget, but not enough time to write for Tara, so I'm writing Tara's letter. Crying. This fucking sucks. I'm so sad. I need to finish this letter and go to sleep because tomorrow we have to pack up this whole apartment. Good morning! It is the 22nd of June, also known as Tara's last literally 24 hours.
Less than, almost.
Oh my god, I only have 24 hours.
Don't cry.
Yay! 24 hours and I won't have time. I'm joking.
This lighting is nice.
We are going to go get a coffee. Can you hear us? We're going to go get a coffee from across the road from, well, I think it's your favourite. I don't know if it's my favourite. I really like it. It's up there. It's one of the... Yeah, it's one of the best ones.
One of the better ones.
Coffee shop, and then we're going to clean up our apartment. Huggies. I'm not too young. I don't fucking know. What time is it?
10:30.
Oh, oopsies. Anyway, we're going to cross. We'll take you guys along. The greatest achievement that we've ever made is crossing this road, TBH, because we never used to... Oh, we could have just gone. Why did we wait? That was so late for us. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going to cross. Yay! Okay, we're walking across now. This is our local centre, Plaza Surabaya. I actually don't like Plaza Surabaya, but it does the job. Should we go to the ATM first?
Yeah, that's correct.
Alright. We've got to get money out. We're just in the pharmacy because I forgot. Oh, these are my favorite ones. They're on sale because we ran out of toilet paper, so I need baby wipes. I like this road walking. Oh, there's people. There's never people at coffee shops at this time. This is like so early. Anyway, this is our favorite coffee shop close by. Sasho, who I've been calling Senasho or Senchio this entire time. But say show. Sasho. I don't actually fucking know what it's called, but this is her. Tara's leading the way. It's my favorite. Thanks. Guys, that's the price list. My coffee was $3. Here you go, Tara. Here's mine. I get a Spanish latte here. So broke. Guys, the lighting's really unflattering here, but this is our building. Australian.
For one more day.
Yeah. We have to go back and
Pack up.
So we are packing up the apartment. I have these like adhesive like hooks on my door, and I'm trying to get them off because they told us that we can't stick things on the wall in the rental. Just trying to get that off without causing damage because they were so needed. There's like no storage in this room or like shelves, so I needed it. But it's like so sad taking these off because like I feel like having like the hooks just made such a big difference. Like I would just sit, my toilet's right there, I would like sit on the toilet and look at my towels on the back of my door. It just felt like mine. I don't know, it's like really weird to explain, but like taking the hooks off just feels like so, I know. I'm gonna put my towels for the next day. Oh my god, it looks so bad. So guys, we're going for dinner. My makeup's full glam because we took photos down by the pool. We're going to eat Thai tonight. Driving past uni for the last time. That's so cute, guys.
We have our certificates like earned tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully.
I feel like
I ordered an umbrella off Shopee for my phone. We've packed away our scissors, so that's why I'm currently in the trenches. Oh, it's in a box. Okay. I'm like really worried because why is it this big? Like it just needs to cover my phone.
eat Australian steak.
Aww. How does it stick on?
You just got a mini umbrella.
Yeah, maybe I just got a little umbrella. What?
You cable tie it to your phone.
What the fuck? It was meant to stick onto my phone. What the fuck? The fuck? Why is it? That's not what it looked like on Shopee. Well, lovely. Guys, the day's come. We're watching the last episode of Sex and the City. We've been watching it this whole time on exchange, so.
It only took us 4 months.
Yeah. But to be fair, we nearly finished it like a week ago. Tara's loves me. Oh, wait, maybe she didn't. I think I'm just stupid. Oh! Thank you.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of brushing my teeth.
Hot. Hey guys, Tara got me a coffee. Oh, thanks. Wait, let me put this down. What the fuck is that? It's not even focusing on it. Focus. Oh my god. We're going to Fork for one last round. My phone's so dirty. Pizza for breakfast. Yeah. Good morning, Isabella.
Good morning.
We're at Fork for Tara's last breakfast.
Best cookies ever.
Okay. Yeah. I'll show you our breakfast. This is like the first place that the girls took me when I got here. And we always come back here, so one last time. So this is my breakfast. I'm glad it was $3, but I kind of got ripped off here for $3 in Surabaya, but yeah. It was yummy. I just don't really know how I'm meant to eat this. Tara has our last carrot cake from Fork. Look at it, guys. Oh, yummy, yummy.
Okay.
I think this is my last slice of Fork carrot cake.
Send me money yesterday.
So I thought I would shove like one suitcase because this one, like, the weight is at 23 kilos and this is a suitcase that, like, I don't really need to open when I'm in Bali, ideally. So I was like, I'll just shut this suitcase. Tara's left. I didn't really vlog that because I didn't want to. Really strange saying bye to this apartment. I've never
had to do this before because I've like lived in my house since I was little. Like we've never moved. So it's really weird leaving an apartment. So weird packing my life up. Let's weigh this bag. Let's weigh her. Let's see the damage. Okay, it's like 23, 24. Should be right. I got these scales for my 21st birthday and it's genuinely the best and handiest gift I've ever been given.
I'm gonna go down to the lobby and see if like I can leave this container of rice because like surely one of the workers will want it. Like, right, Family Mart at uni for the last time. My Fammy, I was gonna say Fammy Ice, my Fammy coffee, ice butterscotch. It's a Family Mart song. Okay guys, it's the last time in the Asic Tower. Guys, Zainab and I are getting KFC because I didn't know what to eat, so we're getting KFC. I'm dropping some clothes off. I'm going to the gym and I'm gonna put some clothes there. I like wrote a note and I was like, if any of you have daughters, like please take it because I don't have room. And like I've worn both these things to death and I'm not gonna wear it at home. So I was like, gonna leave it. And I was like, I'd rather someone has it. So that's what I'm doing. I just ate my KFC as you guys saw and now I'm gonna walk a little bit, then spend some time at the pool before dinner. Seeing TP one last time. The girls. We're going to my favourite shop now. I'm doing my last shop at my favourite shop, Osheen. Let's see how much it ends up because I just bought a random shit. I didn't really think about it. Guys, I'm at Tunjungin one last time. Aww. I'm just looking out the view one last time. This is my last night in Surabaya. Last night sleeping in my bed. This is the view. Tara has a better view because her room's like over there, so she sees that way. But yeah, I feel like I didn't take enough advantage of this view while I had it. But to be fair, I look at it every single night before I sleep. Like the last thing I do before I sleep, other than put my phone down, is close these blinds. So the room looks so empty. And this is my view. We're gonna try to close this suitcase. It's full to the brim. I'm definitely gonna have to. I'm actually just worried about breaking my flower hair clips throughout the whole thing. I don't know how this is gonna work. It will work. Like I've done this a lot of times before. So this is gonna suck. Spins out. And go get my coffee from our local coffee shop because it opens at 7. It's like the only place that opens at this time in Surabaya. And then say bye. One last look at our apartment. Let's go to the Good Press one last time before I leave. Guys, this is our local coffee shop. That's what she looks like. Luffy, do you want to wave again? Luffy makes our coffee most days of the week. Forgot to get a straw for my coffee, so that's great. I'm probably going to spill it on myself. But Luffy, our barista, he said, it was like, no, don't cry, you're so beautiful. And I was like, please. I feel like I still have things to do and like to clean up, but she's empty. She's not ours anymore. I really shouldn't have put my shoes on to do that, but yeah. The girls are down at the lobby, so it's time for me to go. I need to call a car. I don't even have a car coming. I'm so disorganized. I feel so silly for being so upset about this. I'm just gonna post myself crying on the internet. I underestimated how hard it would be to get all these bags down by myself.